Hello everyone, this is Stacy, meeting you all again. If you have followed us, you may know that Trading Plug and Play is a professional platform that provides financial investment knowledge. So, today I will specifically tell you more about the benefits of TPP. First, trading beans. By registering, you will receive skill packages that can produce trading beans. Trading bean is the major currency inside the platform. You can trade with other users on the platform. You can also earn trading beans by watching advertisements, studying lectures, and completing tasks. Moreover, strategic courses. By learning the investment lectures in TPP, you can reach a wide range of wealth management information and manage wealth effectively. Through learning high-quality systematic courses and building high-value interpersonal networks during offline activities, you can grow with other friendly talents. Most importantly, professional advisory. By combining user-generated content or UGC and program-generated content PGC, TPP incubates and recruits a large number of experienced financial advisors. Our advisors will provide abundant financial advisories and first-hand investment information. Thereby, by joining TPP, you will learn not only financial knowledge but also enhance sharp trading sense. So hurry up and join the TPP family to receive your benefits. Welcome to follow us now!